So here's what I'm working on now. Got me a 6-liter. Nice truck, but it's got the 6-liter problems. It's got the variable turbo, and it's been sticking, over boosting, pressurizing the cooling system through the head gaskets and blowing water everywhere, venting out the degas bottle. So I got parts. I got head gaskets, head studs, EGR delete, oil cooler, cooling system filter. So I'm going to tear this thing apart and put them parts on it and put it back together. So far I've got stuff tore apart to this point. Getting stuff out of the way, exposing the heads. And the best way to do these is to take the cab off. But it can be done, obviously. There's a lot of videos of people doing these. So yeah, here's where I'm at now. I'm going to finish getting the intake and all this stuff off the top, and then see about getting the heads off there.